got 6 fucking black helicopters in the sky. Look at that shit. I don't know if you can fucking see. See that shit? Look at that. 1, 2, 6 of those shits. Pirate ship. Thank you. JSA TV exclusive. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My fault. Where the fuck the 6th one go? And fucking pirate ship. Thank you. Oh, and this motherfucker over there was just doing the devil sign to the sugar factory. I swear to God, fuck. That nigga took his shirt off and his hands were just in the air doing the devil worship sign towards the sugar factory. Be careful, sugar factory. Seems to be a young Spanish gentleman with a bike pointing devil horns at your factory.